Picture this, a blank screen, a fresh project. For any developer, this is both the most exciting and the most daunting moment. The possibilities are endless, but so are the challenges. Where do you even begin? What if I told you that the future of coding isn't about writing code line by line, but about conducting an orchestra of intelligent agents? Welcome to the future of development. Here, we start with a simple idea. I type my project goal into the command line, and immediately things start to happen. This isn't just code generation. This is project architecting. On my screen, glowing nodes begin to appear, forming a complex web. These are my microservices, my database schemas, my API routes, all visualized in real time. My AI coding assistant, powered by GitHub Copilot, isn't just suggesting the next line of code. It's building the entire foundation. It understands the project's intent and scaffolds everything: folder structures, service models, even a detailed project markdown file with architecture notes and task definitions. It's like having a senior architect, a project manager, and a team of developers working in perfect sync right from the first second. Now, let's get to the features. I type in a user story. As a user, I want to create an account and log in. Instantly, the AI gets to work. It doesn't just spit out a generic authentication module. It generates the full stack. The user model for the database, the API endpoints for registration and login, the controllers to handle the logic, and even the front-end components for the sign-up form. But here's the magic. As the code is being written, holographic diagrams materialize around my workspace. I can literally see the data flow from the user's browser through the API gateway to the authentication service, and finally into the database. I can walk around these diagrams, zoom in on specific functions, and understand the entire system at a glance. It's not just coding. It's a fully immersive visual experience. The system is using a series of specialized AI agents, each with a specific task. They communicate using what's called a Model Context Protocol, or MCP. This allows them to orchestrate complex actions seamlessly. One agent handles the backend logic. Another designs the UI, and a third one is already writing the unit and integration tests for the code that has just been created. My terminal logs are glowing, scrolling in real time, showing the status of each agent, each test, each deployment. It's a symphony of automated efficiency. But what happens when things go wrong? No system is perfect, and even in this futuristic setup, bugs can happen. Let's say I make a manual change, a tiny logical error in a complex algorithm. Before I can even run a test, a red pulse emanates from the problematic code block. The AI has detected the anomaly. It highlights the exact lines causing the issue and offers several solutions, explaining the pros and cons of each. But what if the error is more complex, a result of a series of bad decisions? This is where the real game changer comes in, the rewind feature. With a simple voice command, rewind to the last stable state. The entire project environment code, database, configurations instantly reverts. It's like a time machine for my entire application, eliminating hours of frustrating debugging. The system isn't just about speed, it's about resilience. With the core features in place, it's time to build out the rest of the application. I need a user dashboard, a settings page, a payment processing integration. I simply list these requirements. The AI agents swarm, working in parallel. One agent spins up a new microservice for payments. Another designs the dashboard UI, and a third starts simulating user interactions. On a synced browser window, I can see a virtual user navigating the application. The AI is performing automated end-to-end testing, clicking buttons, filling out forms, and verifying that everything works as expected. It finds a design flaw button is too small on mobile view. The UI agent immediately adjusts the CSS, and the change is reflected instantly. This feedback loop, which used to take days of back and forth between developers, designers, and QA testers, now happens in seconds. The AI isn't just a tool, it's a collaborator. As I'm thinking about a complex feature, like a real-time recommendation engine, Copilot is already one step ahead. It projects a potential algorithm as a holographic diagram, showing the data flow and the machine learning model it would use. It suggests code snippets not just for the implementation, but for optimizing performance and scalability. It's like a pair programming session with an entity that has access to the entirety of human knowledge on software development. The neon glow of the interface, the dynamic animations of code flowing between services, the hum of the servers managing the AI agents, it all comes together in this high-tech symphony. What used to take a team of 10 developers a month to build is now being created by a single developer in a matter of hours. This is not just about writing code faster. It's about elevating the role of the developer from a simple builder to a true architect, a visionary who can focus on the creative aspects of problem solving while the AI handles the heavy lifting. The entire development lifecycle, from idea to deployment, is automated, orchestrated, and visualized. And just like that, the project is complete. All services are running, all tests are passing, and a fully functional, full-stack application is ready for deployment. The AI finalizes the documentation, pushes the code to the repository, and kicks off the automated deployment pipeline. A few moments later, the application is live. From a blank screen to a fully deployed product, all orchestrated by a developer guiding a team of intelligent AI agents. This is the new frontier of creation. Thank you so much for watching this journey into the future of software development. If you enjoyed this vision and want to see more content like this, please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We have a lot more exciting things to show you.